If you are a business owner or want to be a WordPress developer, it's very important for you to know why website is important for every business. So let's check three main reasons why every business needs a website. The very first one is your customers expect it. Your modern age customer expect you to have a website to find more information about your business. Basically, today's customers have a lot of options to avail. That's why they will not go with any without solid reason. For making a decision, they will compare all the options they have. For that, they will simply go to the internet and try to find some information about all of them. So having no information on the internet, that person can simply kick out your business from his/her option list. That's why it's very important that you have an online appearance where people can grab information about your business. Second, trust, proof. Customer behavior is driven mostly by what others have to say about your business. No matter how much value you are providing in your services or products, displaying customer testimonials and feedbacks on your website is a great way to impress potential buyers and provide social proof. Third one, customer service or 24/7 availability. Businesses frequently receive calls from prospective or existing customers to inquire about simple questions like the address or working hours or even some inquiries about your services. A website can simply help your customers to find such useful information easily without calling you and available for them 24/7. And this easy access to information will surely boost customer experience. In the end, I will close this lecture with a quote by Bill Gates. If your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business.